Alright guys, this is gonna be another exciting unboxing hopefully. Let's see what we got in this package, in this parcel. So it's more like unparceling. Oh boy. Come on, get out of there. It's a beast, it's a beast. What could it possibly be? What could it possibly be? It's a beast. Or it's a shirt. It's a beastly shirt. Oh, there it is. There it is. It finally arrived. The Captain Drone t-shirt. And I'll have to see if it fits me, but I think it's probably a little bit on the large side, which is what I wanted anyway. We'll see how it does. But anyway, the other day I was flying this cool drone and I thought, oh, I'm like Captain Drone. Did a couple of flips and rolls and then smashed into the ground. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Likey.